Welcome to Apt Maths. In this video, you will learn to solve some of the linear equations problems. Question. Sum of the two numbers is 74. One of the numbers is 10 more than the other. What are the numbers? Now, let us solve this problem. We have got two conditions here. Condition 1. One of the numbers is 10 more than the other. Condition 2. Their sum is 74. Let us assume the smaller number is x. Hence, the larger number is x plus 10. Step 1. Write the equation. X plus 10 equals to 74. This means that 2x plus 10 equals to 74. Step 2. Transpose 10 to the RHS. We get 2x equals to 74 minus 10, which implies that 2x equals to 64. Step 3. Divide by 2 on both sides. We get 2x by 2 equals to 64 by 2, which implies that x is equal to 32. Solution. The smaller number is 32, and the larger number is x plus 10 equals to 42. Hence, the required numbers are 32 and 42. Now, it's your turn. Solve the following question. Sum of two numbers is 98. One of the numbers is 8 less than the other. What are the numbers? Think. Solve this using the steps you learned earlier in this video. If you need more time to solve, pause the video till you solve and then check the answer. Solution. The required numbers are 53 and 45. Hope you found this video useful. Before you go, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is posted.